to the screencast for coding text in a PDF in Transana. PDF quick quotes allow researchers to quickly code a text selection from a PDF document. Selecting text and applying a keyword as a code are handled in a single action. When you load a PDF document, you will be able to see coding shapes from any existing PDF quotes or snapshots that have already been created on this page of this document. Two selections we have already created are currently visible. We want to make a selection of the patient instructions provided in this PDF document from the CDC. We're interested in the text of the instructions, not the visual layout. To create a PDF quick quote, we change the mode from review to code text to indicate that we want to make a PDF quote focused on text rather than a PDF snapshot focused on visual aspects of the PDF. You may notice that all the previous coding gets hidden in the PDF window, the keyword field at the top of the form is cleared, and the coding tool is changed to the text rectangle tool, which is used for coding text. We can adjust the coding color, line width, and line styles as desired. We can use a combination of zooming, resizing, and repositioning to get the PDF window to display our PDF data exactly the way we want our PDF quote to be displayed on screen. We now double-click a keyword in the database tree to create the PDF quick quote. We will choose the Analytic Codes Instructions keyword. Our new PDF quick quote will automatically be named and placed in the Quick Quotes and Clips collection. We see the Transana has automatically drawn a text rectangle coding shape around the perimeter of our PDF window. Let's restore our PDF to the view of the whole page by clicking the Restore Last Save button in the toolbar. We see the text rectangle that we added. We can also see that Transana has added a Quick Quotes and Clips collection and has placed a PDF quick quote in that collection. If we right-click that PDF quote and choose Quote Properties, we see the properties of that PDF quote. We see the coding that was applied, including the Analytic Codes Instructions code that we used to trigger the creation of the quick quote. We also see the text of the instructions in the quick quotes text box. We see that there are a number of blank lines at the start of that text. Those lines are an artifact from the way the text was created in the original PDF file. We can remove those blank lines if we don't want them to appear in our reports of this data. We'll click OK to save this change. If we double-click the PDF quick quote item, we load our quote, which appears exactly as it did when we originally created the PDF quick quote. Let's click on the Load Context button in the PDF window toolbar to return to the full-page display of our PDF document, which shows all of our coding. Finally, let's look at the collection report for the Quick Quotes and Clips collection. We can see that our quick quote appears as text and that it has been coded with the keyword that was used to trigger its creation.